power has been missing this year as well. He slugged it at over 500.
The National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Pierce County until 7:15 p.m. At 6:29 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Ellsworth, or 10 miles north of Red Wing, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Expected hazards include ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of central Pierce County, including the following locations: Beldenville, El Paso, Martel, and Isale. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.